Hi, I'm Michael Bolton, and this is the map in my kitchen. We got it several years ago to try to figure out, among other things, where I might be going or what I might be doing. Here's what's coming up at the end of September, September 28th, 29th, and 30th, the SEETEST conference and a pre-conference day beforehand. I'll be going from Toronto, here, to Sofia, Bulgaria. There, that's where the SEETEST conference is. I'll be talking about critical thinking for testers and risk analysis for testers. Both of those are essential to the process of testing, and they don't get talked about often enough. Most of the time we hear about automating checks that try to replicate a user's behaviors. But the critical thinking and risk analysis part of it is important, because what we're really doing when we're testing is we're looking for problems that matter, problems that would threaten the value of the product, problems that would threaten the value of the business. So, come join me and a bunch of old friends and new friends at the SEETEST conference, September 29th and 30th, with the pre-conference day on the 28th. Hope to see you there.